15 years ago, we started Smaply, a software to create and manage journey maps. And at that time, like 15 years ago, we were the first. Like there was no market for it, right? There was no other tool out there. And what we're talking about hypothesis, what we started 15 years ago was when I was working with large companies running service design, I saw two patterns. Either they were using design tools. At that time, it was like InDesign and stuff like that, creating beautiful artifacts that no one ever touches again. Like they became static, and only this one designer was able to change it. So nowadays, you would think of Figma maybe or something like that, where only the design team is actually able to change it. The other pattern was I saw organizations use horrible tools to create journey maps like PowerPoint and Excel and so on. But these became living objects because they were accessible and everyone in the organization was able to contribute to it. And that was the basic starting point for us. Let's combine this. Let's create a tool where it's really made for journey mapping and later journey management, but accessible for everyone. That is so easy to use that everyone in the organization can just sign up and use it, and you can invite anyone to it. Now, a couple of years later, I think it was 2016, we launched the next version, which then included like data integration. So you can pull in data from spreadsheet, connect it to Jira, so you can see also decisions you made. Are they follow up? What is the status of these user stories you agreed on? You were able to link journeys into each other, so you can build a whole hierarchy of maps. And now, fast forward, that's where we are today, where organizations build entire hierarchies of journey maps. High-level maps, think of it in maps in geography, where you might have a continent. You don't see a lot of details, but you get a good overview of anything you're offering, all the experiences people have of all the products. And then you can zoom into a different country, zoom into a city. The more you zoom in, the more details you see. And just like that, you're connecting journeys into each other. So you can zoom from a life cycle view all the way to this very detailed step, which might be important for the experience. And that's why you go very detailed in this little episode. And then you connect it with different data and use it for continuous decision making. So you always focus on those pain points and unmet needs and opportunities that have the most impact on customer experience, the best impact for the business outcome.
I can confirm, having not tried it before, I've just made a journey map for a awkward German in Austria who chooses to do English language versions of apps, and it's really good. I was able to make a basic journey map in like a
There
minute
you
whilst
go.
you're explaining it, Mark. So yeah, it looks really neat.